Hello guys, welcome to first video tutorial on Python programming for the beginners. In this video I am going to give you introduction of Python and how you can download and install Python in your Windows platform. Let's get started. Python is high level programming language designed to to be easy and read and simple to implement. It is open source, which means it is free to use ever for the commercial applications. Python can run on Mac, Windows and Unix systems. It was created by Jigar and Rasmus during the 1985 to 1990. Python is general purpose programming language. You can use Python for the developing desktop geo application, website and web applications. Python features. Python provides lots of features like easy to learn and use. It is developer friendly and high level programming language. It is easy to readable. This means that it is more understandable and readable. Third, object oriented language. It supports all the features of object oriented language and concepts of classes and objects. Fourth, language. Interpreted and execute the code line by line at a time. This makes debugging easy and suitable for the beginners. Fifth, free and open source, which means it is free to use ever for the commercial applications, business applications. 6. Cross-platform language. Python can run equally on the different platforms such as Windows, Linux, Unix, Macintosh. So you can say that Python is a portable language. 7. Large standard library and extensible. Python has standard large and broad library. It is rich set of functions for the rapid application development. It can be easily integrated with other language like C, C++, Java, etc. How you can download and installing Python in your Windows? It's very easy. Go to the python.org official site, then download the present version. You need to install, run the downloaded file. I am sure this video will help you learn Python. This is just beginning. We'll see you soon with next video. Subscribe for the all updates, like and share.